Why automate your data backups?
Automating daily data backups ensures your important files or databases are protected without relying on memory or manual effort. Backups help prevent data loss from hardware failures, accidental deletion, or malware. Automating the process brings peace of mind, allowing you to focus on daily tasks, knowing your information is always safe and recoverable if needed.
What are backup scripts?
Backup scripts are simple code files that tell your computer to copy selected files or databases to another location, like an external drive or cloud storage, on a schedule. These scripts can be written using basic scripting languages such as Bash for Linux and macOS, or Batch and PowerShell for Windows. They make the backup process reliable, repeatable, and easy to manage.
Setting up a basic backup script.
To create a basic backup script, decide which files or folders to backup and where to store the copies. On Windows, you might use a batch file, while on Linux or macOS, Bash scripts are common. The script will include commands to copy items from your chosen source to your backup destination, using simple language the operating system understands.
Scheduling backups automatically.
With your backup script ready, you'll want it to run every day without manual intervention. Task Scheduler on Windows or cron jobs on Linux and macOS can launch your script at a set time. This simple setup helps ensure backups are always up to date and never forgotten, making data protection part of your daily routine.
Best practices and final tips.
Always test your backup scripts to confirm that files are copied correctly. Store backups in a safe location, preferably off-site or in the cloud, to safeguard against disasters. Consider keeping several backup versions. Document your script and schedule so it's easy to update or recover if needed. With these practices, your automated daily backups will keep your data secure and accessible.